Are you ready to boost your YouTube channel with the power of AI? Welcome to Empowered Finance. Today, we're exploring how you can make money on YouTube by leveraging artificial intelligence. From creating content to optimizing your channel, AI tools can help you achieve YouTube success in 2024. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about AI-powered content creation. Tools like InVideo AI and Pictory use AI to turn your scripts or articles into engaging videos. You can automate the video creation process, saving time and ensuring consistent quality. Additionally, AI tools like Descript can help you edit videos effortlessly by transcribing and allowing you to edit text, which then updates the video. Next, enhance your YouTube SEO with AI. Tools like TubeBuddy and Vidicue offer AI-driven insights and recommendations to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. These tools analyze popular keywords, suggest improvements, and track your rankings. By optimizing your content for search, you can increase your visibility, attract more viewers, and grow your subscriber base. Analyzing your channel's performance is crucial for growth. AI tools like YouTube Analytics and Social Blade provide detailed insights into your channel's performance. These tools can help you understand your audience, track your video performance, and identify trends. Use this data to refine your content strategy, focus on what works, and continuously improve your channel's performance. Engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal community. AI chatbots like ManyChat can automate responses to common questions and comments, helping you stay connected with your viewers without spending hours managing your comment section. Additionally, tools like ChatGPT can help you craft personalized responses, making your audience feel valued and engaged. By leveraging AI tools, you can streamline your YouTube workflow, optimize your content, and grow your channel more effectively. Which AI tool are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money and managing your finances. See you next time on Empowered Finance.